Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add Bitcoin or BTCUSD to Metatrader 5 step by step. It's very easy and simple, so just follow along. First, open your Metatrader 5 app, then go to Codes tab at the bottom left, and after that, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner. Make sure your Metatrader 5 account is connected to a broker. Now, look for the crypto group and tap on it. Here you should see Bitcoin versus US dollar or BTCUSD. If you don't see, you can use search bar and type BTCUSD to find it quickly. Once you find it, just tap on it once to add it. Then go back and you will see Bitcoin listed to in your codes. Tap on it, select chart, and now you will be able to view the Bitcoin chart. And that's it, you have successfully added Bitcoin to MetaTrader 5. If this helped you out, make sure to check out more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.